Now I'm going to teach you how to edit CSS to adjust the layout of your boss theme. Now keep in mind, in Appearance, if you go to Dashboard Customize, you can edit most of the colors and fonts in the theme without editing code, but I'm sure lots of you are going to want to do your own custom edits and really take the theme in a custom direction. So first thing you want to do in the dashboard is go to Themes and make sure you're running the child theme and not the parent theme. Because if you're running the parent theme and make your code edits in the parent theme, this is going to cause a major problem when we release an update. We frequently release updates to our products, fixing bugs and adding features. And if you download your update, it's going to overwrite all your edits and they'll be gone. Whereas if you activate the child theme, you can do your edits in the child theme and then they will stay. So here we are. I recommend using the Chrome inspector. So if you're using the browser, Google Chrome, you can right click and click Inspect Element, and this is a free tool that comes with the browser. And then you click this little icon here and you can select over elements of the page, and it tells you exactly which things are which styles are being generated to produce that. So you can uncheck things, and see it change live on the website. So let's take this element for example. Okay, so let's say we want to make the background red. You can just experiment right in the browser, and if it works, it's what you want, then you can go ahead and add it into your child theme. So first thing we do, it tells us which style sheet it's coming from and even the exact line in the style sheet. Okay, and then it also tells us the media query. If you're not familiar with media queries, I'd suggest Googling the term media query. It basically allows us to identify the browser based on the screen size. And so we have a bunch of styles that are loaded globally, meaning they're loaded on any screen size, and then we start targeting by screen size, smaller or wider, or within a certain width parameter, so that we can target styles to mobile devices. So that as we get smaller, you can see the whole layout adjusts, and we do that through the media queries. So here you can see this one actually has a media query. It's looking to see if the screen is 721 pixels or wider. So if you're going to edit the style, you want to make sure you put it in that media query, or else you're going to be adding the style on the mobile view too, which is not meant to be in, and you might mess it up. Okay, so where do we add it? So let's go here. I've got what I'm working on here is from my local environment on my computer. So I can see I'm in the themes directory on that website, and I've got my boss child theme here. So if I go into functions, you can see it's loading custom.css on the child theme. So that's going to happen automatically, and in here we can start adding styles. So let's go back to here, and we want the minimum width 721 media query. We've already got the media queries outlined in the style sheet for you, so that's where it is. I can get rid of this example thing, and I copy the style, and I'm going to make the background red, and that's it. It's in there. So don't forget, this is done in the browser, so if I were to refresh the page, it would disappear. But now we've added it, so let's see what happens. And it's working, right? It's loading that. If I go to the inspector, it's loading that from custom.css, which is being outputted from our child theme. Okay, so this is basically what you have to do to edit styles in your child theme. And then if you want to edit functions, you have a functions file here, which will load any function you add here will be loaded in addition to the functions that comes from the parent theme. And then you can also override templates from the parent theme. So for example, let's say this is author.php, which is, if I open that, this is the template that's used to display an author archive. You could copy author.php and paste it into the child theme, and then edit the version in your child theme, and that will automatically override the version in the parent theme. It will use the child theme's author.php file instead. And that's basically all you need to know.